Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make sure your game object or whatever object get disappeared when you lose your target. What I mean by that is, so this one I'm using Vuforia astronaut target. So I brought this
One thing
video,
I want you to
okay.
do, okay,
And
today
now,
is
I cannot even see
activity
this.
post the
My video is too big. Okay, so probably this is better.
one thing
So
I
I have
want
this
you to
video,
do
right? And
today
my
is
target is gone now. Actually, it works fine.
one thing I want you to do, okay, today is
But now it doesn't work.
activity post the screen capture
Okay.
of your work AR.
My target is here,
So here, what I want to see is
but it basically
I
doesn't work.
want you to
Okay.
follow this.
So
Okay.
this is I mean, I don't even know why it has this bug. It used to be okay back in like 2018 or 2019.1, but somehow their newer stuff, their newer code probably, their newer code has a bug on it. So I'm going to kind of go over how to hack this thing. So what I'm looking at right now is here. It said, actually not this one. Uh, okay, down here, it has astronaut no post unknown and astronaut no post normal. Okay, so one thing I realized previously in the previous version, they actually used it simpler way to detect image target. So they used to have something like trackable something found, trackable something lost. So code would be simpler. Whenever the trackable found, it will do something, and whenever uh, trackable is lost, well, it basically destroy everything. Well, not necessarily destroy, but it will basically disable the rendering and other things. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to open this default trackable event handler. Okay. You saw this before. Okay. And then here, supposedly, okay, what they do is here, whenever it found this on tracking found, okay, we are going to make things enabled. Okay, true, true, true. So that's why we can see this whatever plane or whatever inside of this image target. Okay, and then whenever it get lost, it will use on tracking lost, and then it will make these things disabled by assigning false value into this enabled thing. Okay, so what we are going to do now is, okay, I now realize they're using this thing like normal and like unknown, like this kind of thing. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, okay, this is a hack. Okay, this is a hack you can use. I'm going to use this one on tracking lost. This is function. I'm going to call this on tracking lost whenever I detect, okay, if trackable behavior dot status extended tracked, because I know that whenever this guys gets lost, it actually say uh, this one is extended tracked. Okay, so now I'm going to save this and I'll test this. Oops. So now this is what I'm going to do. Okay.
One thing I want you to do, okay, today is
and I'm going to
activity
remove my
process
image
and
target.
capture of
It's gone. Okay. So here, what I'm trying to do is it said trackable astronaut extended tracked normer, and and so here extended tracked means actually it's gone. Okay, extended tracked. So basically, whenever it displays extended tracked, I know that that this is a sign that this image target is gone. So I'm going to put this on tracking lost. Okay. And then it actually has issue now. Okay. My dog is barking. Okay, so now it works.
one thing I want you to
It's
do.
gone. It doesn't come back, right? It doesn't come back. That's the problem. So now what I'm going to do, I know that whenever it found this image target, it will say this trackable astronaut tracked normer. So this one is trackable status detect and tracked. Okay, so I'm going to put on tracking found right over here. So whenever it's found or whenever it's tracked, I'm going to use on tracking found. Okay, and I believe this one extended tracked or limited. I think we're supposed to put lost. Well, actually, I'm not 100% sure because I haven't seen this limited, but it's either lost or found, and or you can just leave it as blank for now, and then try to kind of see when you see this limited. But I'm assuming that this is extended tracked, so probably you have to put on tracking lost. Anyways, now I'll save this. Okay. Inside of should be rendered, on tracking found, on tracking lost, and on tracking lost. And now I'm going to, oops, clear, play. So now, oh, did I save it? Now that my dog is distracting me. It's saved. It should be good. And now I'm going to play. Okay, works fine. Oh.
One thing I want you to
It plays.
do. Okay, today.
Gone. Oops. So as you can see, now it's working fine.
One thing I want you to do. One thing I want you to do.
So it works fine now. Okay. So I meant to kind of go over this the while we're doing code review, but I kind of rushed it and then didn't clarify. So try to watch this, and then maybe I'm going to create a better tutorial for you later. All right, have fun. My dog's barking, so I'm going to stop.